In this SAT geometry problem, we're told that an equilateral triangle has a side length of 10 meters, and an angle bisector is drawn from one of its vertices. This divides the triangle into two congruent triangles, and we're asked to find the perimeter of one of those resulting triangles. Let's break it down. Since the triangle is equilateral, all sides are 10 meters, and all angles are 60 degrees. Drawing an angle bisector from any vertex splits the 60-degree angle into two 30-degree angles, and it lands at the midpoint of the opposite side. In equilateral triangles, the angle bisector, median, and altitude are the same, so this creates a 30-60-90 right triangle. In this triangle, the hypotenuse is 10 meters. The base is 5 meters, and the perpendicular side is unknown, and we'll find it using the Pythagorean theorem. According to the theorem, hypotenuse squared equals base squared plus perpendicular squared. So 10 squared equals 5 squared plus perpendicular squared. 100 equals 25 plus perpendicular squared. Subtracting 25 gives perpendicular squared equals 75. Taking the square root, perpendicular equals square root of 75. Now simplify square root of 75. That's square root of 25 times 3 equals 5 root 3. Now we have all three side lengths. Hypotenuse equals 10, base equals 5, and height equals 5 root 3. Add them up to get the perimeter. 10 plus 5 plus 5 root 3 equals 15 plus 5 root 3. That matches option D. Comment below if you can solve this question faster with any other method, and follow for more SAT problems.